All right, we're doing it again. Welcome to Green Valley Car Wash. If you missed the previous video, we did the $9.50 wash. Now, just for the sake, since there's two monorails here, I want to do both bays. We're going to do the right bay on the lowest wash and see how it compares to the top wash, which I just did in the left bay. Same pay station as the other side. It does say that there's no dryer on the 7, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it anyway. So that was a very authentic superwash style monorail experience because as I mentioned in my last video, those dryers are indeed retrofit. So if Superwash hadn't sold this site, there probably wouldn't be any dryers, let alone that overhead rinse was definitely a retrofit. I'm surprised that they include the overhead rinse on the top wash, on the lowest wash, excuse me. I figured they would just include the side blasters. Yeah, $7, and this is spot-free water, so if everything works out, this shouldn't leave any spots, but this is kind of how monorails were back in the day when they were more commonplace. It was just high-pressure water, maybe a polish if you were lucky, and then you kind of drove out, and the air as you drive would dry the water. So yeah, hope you enjoyed Green Valley Car Wash. I certainly did, and that's it.